Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are thinking about taking your business leadership skills to the next level with the ACCA SBL exam, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into what the ACCA Strategic Business Leader exam is all about, how it's structured, and share some tips on how to crack it. So, let's get started. The ACCA SBL exam is a comprehensive assessment designed for aspiring business leaders. It evaluates your ability to apply business knowledge in real-world scenarios, simulating the decision-making and problem-solving responsibilities of a senior executive. This exam goes beyond theoretical knowledge, focusing on how effectively you can leverage that knowledge to make strategic decisions and address complex business challenges. The ACCA SBL exam rigorously evaluates your ability to integrate core professional skills with the essential technical knowledge drawn from the entire ACCA syllabus. Structured as a single comprehensive paper, the exam mirrors a realistic business environment where candidates must showcase their strategic thinking and decision-making capabilities. What sets this exam apart is its focus on both understanding key business concepts and demonstrating the ability to apply them strategically in a professional context. The ACCA SBL exam spans 4 hours, making it longer than most other ACCA exams. It emphasizes the practical application of your knowledge in real-world business scenarios. Rather than relying on multiple choice questions, the exam presents a detailed business case study requiring you to analyze the situation and respond with clear logical solutions. This format challenges you to think like a business leader, making informed decisions and demonstrating strategic input. It is designed to prepare you for the complex problem solving and decision making required in today's business environment. The ACCA SBL syllabus covers a comprehensive range of topics designed to equip candidates with the skills needed for strategic leadership in business. It integrates both technical knowledge and professional expertise, ensuring that candidates are well prepared to tackle real-world business challenges. The syllabus can be broken down into several key categories, each focusing on essential aspects of leadership, governance, strategy, and more. Here's an overview of the main components. Number 1, leadership. Number 2, governance. Number 3, strategy. Number 4, risk. Number 5, technology and data analytics. Number 6, organizational control and audit. Number 7, finance and planning and decision making. Number 8, enabling success and change management. Number 9, professional skills. And number 10, other employability and digital skills. Now, let's talk about the exam structure. The ACCA SBL exam is structured around an integrated case study, which includes multiple assignments that vary with each examination. These tasks are designed to assess a wide range of skills and may require candidates to assume different roles depending on the situation. The total marks for the exam are 100, with marks distributed across various sections of the case study. The exam mainly consists of comprehensive case study questions, each requiring the application of multiple areas of the syllabus. Now, let's take a look at the types of questions you will encounter and how the marks are distributed. First, you will face case study questions. These are long-form questions based on detailed scenarios where you will need to apply knowledge from multiple areas of the syllabus. The marks distribution may vary, but generally these case studies questions make up for the bulk of the exam. You will be tested on your ability to develop solutions, propose strategies, and analyze the situation from various perspectives. Secondly, there are professional marks. These account for 20 marks of the total score. Here, you will be assessed on key professional skills such as skepticism, judgment, critical thinking, and commercial acumen. The focus is on demonstrating that you can approach the case study like a business leader, making informed decisions and presenting your analysis in a professional manner. Now, let's talk about the most important part of preparing for the SBL exam. The tips and techniques that will help you succeed. This exam is unlike any other, and approaching it with the right mindset and strategies is key to achieving top marks. Remember, to excel is essential to adopt a holistic approach to your preparation. So, here are some key strategies to help you succeed. Number 1, holistic case study approach. Unlike traditional exams that focus on technical details, the SBL exam encourages you to approach the case from a broader perspective. Think like a CEO or senior manager considering the whole business context rather than isolating functions. Number 2, integration of ESG factors. The SBL exam emphasizes incorporating environmental, social, and governance factors into decision making. Ensure that you are prepared to integrate these considerations into your strategic analysis. Number 3, utilize professional marks. A unique feature of the SBL exam is the awarding of professional marks for displaying professionalism in your responses. This includes your presentation, analysis, and ability to convey business insights in a manner that reflects senior management expertise. Number 4, apply business models. Demonstrating knowledge of strategic business models such as Kota's 5 forces or the balanced scorecard is essential. Use these frameworks to structure your analysis and support your recommendations. Number 5, task focus. The main objective of the exam is to demonstrate both theoretical knowledge and its practical application in real-world scenarios. Approach the task with a business-minded perspective, showcasing your ability to make informed decisions. Number 6, real-world relevance. The SBL exam often includes scenarios that mirror real-world business challenges. Stay updated on current business issues and understand how they may relate to your exam cases. Number 7, critical evaluation of information. The exam will challenge your ability to analyze and evaluate information. Be prepared to examine data, identifying what is relevant, and making decisions based on the most pertinent facts. Number 8, board level presentation. While presenting your solutions, assume you're addressing a board of directors. Your answers should be concise, well thought out, and reflect strong leadership and decision making skills. 9, interdisciplinary insights. The SBL exam requires you to draw from multiple disciplines such as financial management, strategic management, and operations management. Even if you're not an expert in all areas, having a broad understanding is the key. Number 10, ethics and professionalism. You will often need to address ethical or legal considerations within your scenarios. Be prepared to discuss these issues from a legal and ethical standpoint, ensuring your decisions align with the professional standards. And lastly, strategic recommendations. Your responses should not only assess the situation, but also propose actionable strategies and steps that mirror senior level management. Show that you can think critically and strategically in your decision making. By adopting these strategies, you will be well on your way to excelling in the SBL exam, demonstrating both your theoretical knowledge and practical leadership skills. And there you have it, a complete overview of the ACCA Strategic Business Leader exam. From its structure to syllabus to some practical tips on how to approach it successfully. Remember, the SBL exam is not just about applying the textbook knowledge. It's about demonstrating your ability to think critically, make strategic decisions, and present them professionally, just like a business leader would. So, take the time to understand the core concepts, develop your professional skills, and stay updated on real-world business trends. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ACCA tips. And if you have any questions or need further tips, drop them in the comments below. Good luck with your SBL preparation, and I'll see you again in the next video.